Hey guys, Dave Anderson, Helicool's Helipad. Looks like today is going to be an okay day, so we're going to go ahead and start gutting the interior of this LMTV. Stay tuned. Well, the weatherman lied and said that it was supposed to be just raining to beat heck this morning. Hasn't rained a drop, although finally by this afternoon it looks like it's going to be raining. But I was busy this morning thinking that it was just going to rain, so I decided to go ahead and start pulling apart the interior, even though it's not all that rainy out, but it has to be done. So I'm going to go ahead and start on the interior. Well, no treasure so far. Wow, that was stuck on there. No treasure so far, but I'm gonna keep looking. When you tear stuff apart, you got to find it later on to put it back together. So I'm making sure to catalog everything. Hey, check this out. I just pulled this panel. There is 1,000,000 ants in here. Awesome. Well, the carpet just came out of the passenger side, and there was even some more ants underneath this carpet here. This, oh yeah, it's still full of ants in here. Yeah, just a bunch of junk. Awesome. Smoking in the rig. I'm pretty sure that's against regulation. But That side is out. This side is out too. Looks like somebody liked pistachios. Yeah, this is like Christmas. You just get to keep opening packages. But I almost feel like I was a bad boy. I keep getting coal. Or I'd like to find a really cool bayonet. Or, I don't know, something. Maybe another set of tools or something. That'd be awesome. Hey guys, well, it looks like that's about as far as I want to go on this teardown inside of here. I still have all of the dash and this centerpiece of carpet which goes underneath the dash, so it's probably going to stay. I do have these panels back here, but I think that I'm probably going to leave quite a bit of that. I think the plan is to try to lift this cab off in one piece and probably save a lot of these components inside the cab. I mean, there is still the CETUS I want to probably pull out of here as a component, and some other small pieces and parts, and seat belts, and the well, I guess there's only one visor, but a few other panels, but mostly it's pretty well done. So I'm going to save that if I do anything for next time. So that'll about do it. I'm going to wrap this up. I'm going to sign out. Hey, give me a like if you really like this video, thumbs up, and if you'd like to subscribe, please do so. It's awesome to have new subscribers to share this story with. Make sure to also, hey, share it with your family and friends. Post it on Facebook. The more the merrier. I guess I'll see you next time. Until then, be safe and God bless.